So in this video, we're going to show you how to draw parts 3 and 4, the two mud guards for the tractor. So go into your Onshape, create document, part 3 and 4. So we'll go sketch, top plane. Actually, for this one here, yeah, top plane. And then we'll look straight down here. So we start here, just start in this corner here, and we'll work way over. So this line here is 50 long. So line, then hit dimension, D on your keyboard, and we're going to make this 50. Then we're going to hit L for line, draw a line straight up. See the dashed lines, it's going to tell you that it's straight up. And the distances that there are 10, 30, 16. So D, 10, now another line, L, straight up. D again, dimension, 30. And the final one, L again on your keyboard, straight up. D for dimension on your keyboard, and 16. Next then, this line here is in here 25. Oh, sorry, actually that there line there is this line in here. So I'll delete that last one. And it's going to come in 25 up 16. So click on this line, delete. So you can right click on it, delete sketch entity. Hit L on your keyboard or line. This here is coming over here 25 and then up 16. So dimension 25. And then this one here, 16. Then this line now is going off at 45 degrees and it's 28 from here to here. So we'll actually have to figure out where exactly this line is here. So it's up 20. So 45, about 45 degrees and then up 20. So to do that, we're going to again hit line L on our keyboard from here off. And if we look here, that it's 20 high. So if we go D on our keyboard for dimension here to here, and instead of putting it out at an angle like that, the length of the line, we're just going to say the height of it. We want it to be 20 degrees. Now, here to here. So if it's 90 plus 45, that's 135. And this line now is coming out 28 and up 9 plus 16 is 15. So out 28 first. So L on our keyboard, line out here, D for dimension, 28, and now L again for line. Oh, this line straight up. And it's 9, so D for dimension, and it's 9 plus 6, which is going to make that there, 15. Oh, 5. Next, this here line here is 28. And here's 28, and then we have a 40 and a 28 again. So line here. So what we'll do is a calculator. If you're not sure, just check the calculator. 28, 28, and 40. 96. So D dimension on the keyboard is here, 96. Then this comes straight down and end again, 28. So L for line, straight down. And actually, if you bring this across here, it'll tell you exactly. In here then, 28. So D, just double check that there's 15. Yeah, that's fine. D, this one here, 28. Now, again, this and this are matching up, so we've got to come out here at 45 and the depth line is 20. So we'll draw a line from here out and dimension D on the keyboard. Here, here. These a little bit easier, 45, and from here to here is 20. Then, well, that's for this hole here is 8. So this line here is going straight across and lining up this one here. So this one here is 16, down 16 and then across. So L down, D for dimension, 16, L for line. Now, there's a little gap here of 4. Little gap here of 4. So L for line, here, straight up. Now what you can see that I've moved it over to here, and then if I drag it just straight across, and now the two of them meet, that's exactly it. Now that's telling us that that's 56 dimensions here. Click on that there, that's telling us 56. We could also check by just calculating, because we know that it's 10, 30, and 16. 10 plus 30 plus 16. It's giving us 56. If you can't get that there done, all you have to do is D dimension that line there, 56. Now, line again, L, cross, and straight down. Now, what we're going to do here, dimension first of all, because that gap there is 4. So that dimension for that line there is 4. And you can see that these are not matching up. So if we hit X on our keyboard, that's extension or extend. We click this line here and we want to extend it over to this line and click that line there. So that closes off. We still have this wee bit of a line coming out here. So we're going to hit M on our keyboard, which is for trim. You hit there trim, you can see the line beside it. And we just click on that line to get rid of that. So that's the complete outline now of that piece. All we have to do now is add in the holes, add in a few of the curves here. The curves here actually are quite easy because they're all 6. If we go here and see this button here, fillet, we want to fillet. Want to fillet this hole here. Now it's saying 5, but we want to go 6. We want this one here, go 6. And this one here, 6 as well. And with 2 holes here, they're up 10 and 5. So draw C for circle. Put our 10 here. Around 5 from each side. So D for dimension. Here to here is 5. Here to here is 5. And the actual circles themselves are 3.5. Next we have this one here. It's down 8 and in 25 and it's 5.5. So circle against C and D for dimension. Down 8. In 25. That's a 5.5. Perfect. And if we look here, we have a dashed line here. It's up. Dashed line comes straight across from here, here, and here. So we go back here, and we're just going to go L for line. Here. here, here, and here's the other one, cross here and one here as well. So L for line, cross here, and L for line again. And what we're going to do, we're going to right click on these lines and we're going to make them construction. Construction. No, we should have done really, but anyway, construction. And then we have one more line across here, and it is a 24. So D here to here, 24. And that is that. Oh, this one here, actually, right click on that for construction. Construction. And that is that whole part now drawn out, ready for lasering.